Look at the snow. All right. Hello. Good morning. So this is my first time driving to the work with the snow. So I'm going to document it. Oops. This is how you document something falling off. Okay. So, yeah. Ayan yung sasakyan. Pinainit ko na. But I need to scrape. Ayan. Whew. Good thing I preheated it ahead of time. 10 minutes. So I don't have to scrape it anymore. But I couldn't open the compartment because it's freezing. So let's go. Right now the temperature is, have you seen that? What's the temperature here? The temperature is 13 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, 6:43 in the morning and it's super dark. Let's open the light. Hello! Good morning, welcome to Life in America. I'm gonna document my first time driving in the snow. So it's super lamig, 13 degrees Fahrenheit. So I can do it. My husband said I can do it. So yeah. ang phone. Ayan, nilagay mo ang phone. Oh, what did I do? So we're here in Target now. And we will just pull it back, put it back para sa aking madamdaming parking. Madamdaming safety is the best policy. Kahit nagkakandahulog na yung cellphone, kaya mo dear. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock in the morning. I made it. Thank you, Lord. So, let's do the parking. Thank you for watching. I got to work safely. Bye-bye. Have a good day.